Wait a minute.
See the letter J. J. Great.
This is Benjamin at how many months?
19.
19 months old. We discovered today that he knows his alphabet and no one knew that.
Do you see the letter A?
Wait.
A. Great. Do you see the letter R?
Where's the R?
R. Terrific.
He goes right for it. Good job.
Give yourself a hand.
New letters. You found all of the letters in the word jar.
No, we're going to do another.
Give
Let's do
ourselves
another
a
word.
big
Approve.
thumbs up. Amazing.
Thumbs up.
You earned a
Yay.
sticker.
Yay.
Okay, here he goes.
Okay, we need to find all of the letters in the word tent. Do you see the letter T?
Where's the T? Oh.
That's not the letter
T.
Keep looking.
T. Edit this part off.
T.
No, that's all right. You corrected it.
A T and a P are awfully
They sound
close.
similar.
Wait a minute.
It goes too slow
Do
for
you
him.
see the letter E?
Where's E?
E. Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't go fast enough.
Do you see the letter N?
Where's N?
N. Great. Do
Yay!
you see the letter T?
Where's the T?